Hello, friends.
Hola amigos,
How are you?
¿cómo están?
I'm so happy
Estoy feliz
to be with you.
a estar contigo.
Are you hungry
¿Tienen hambre?
to sing and play?
A cantar y jugar,
'Cause on our menu
porque en el menú
is Spanish today. Everybody sing.
Eat your Spanish, eat your Spanish, eat your Spanish with us today.
Did you say spinach? No, I said Spanish. Okay.
Eat your Spanish with us today. Eat your Spanish!
With Mrs. Elephant?
And Mr. Mouse.
It's time for Spanish Word of the Week. For if it's learning Spanish that you seek, you'll be so impressed with all the words you can speak. It's time for Spanish Word of the Week.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Mr. Mouse. Hola, amigos. Me llamo Mrs. Elephant.
Yo me llamo Mr. Mouse. Welcome to our very special Spanish Word of the Week segment here on Eat Your Spanish.
We're muy feliz to present you with this very special Spanish Word of the Week from one of our Patreon subscribers. Cue the drum roll, Mr. Mouse.
Okay, on the count of tres. Uno, dos, tres.
Whoopsie daisy, Mr. Mouse. Mr. Mouse, I think your sound machine is broken again. Can you climb inside the machine and see if everything's working?
Sure, 1 sec. Oh, I see the problem. There was a piece of saltwater taffy stuck in one of the wires. Let me just take it off there. There we go. Taffy. This week's special listener is Milo! Milo, what is your question?
Hola, me llamo Milo. I'm wondering how to say nature in Espanol. Gracias. Adios.
Wow, Milo, that is such a fantastic question. Nature is one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. Mr. Mouse and I love going on hikes, breathing in the fresh, crisp air, and soaking up some sweet sunshine. I wonder if any of you amigos out there listening enjoy going out in nature. Maybe you even have a special spot that's really comforting for y'all to go back to over and over again. Mr. Mouse and I found some waterfalls near our house recently, and even though we haven't ever visited them before, somehow when we first saw them, it felt like we were at home.
Yeah, that's so true, Mrs. Elephant. I feel most at home when I'm out in nature. Hey, Mrs. Elephant, I have a great idea. What if we make a nature soundscape for all of our amigos out there listening to listen to? That way, if we close our eyes and use our imaginations together, we'll be able to feel like we're out in nature together.
Oh wow, Mr. Mouse, that is a fabulous idea. First, let's add some water sounds or agua sounds.
Ooh, that's nice. What about some bird sounds or pájaro sounds too? I remember seeing the most beautiful golondrinas or swallows flitting all around by the cascada, by the waterfall. They have such a nice chirp.
Oh wow, how soothing, Mr. Mouse. How about if we add some sounds of footsteps? I love the crunch of feet on rocks. It just makes me feel so cozy.
That scared me, Mrs. Elephant.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Mouse. Let me make those a little gentler.
That's better. Amigos, would you like to go on a little imagination hike with us? Let's close our ojos or eyes together and pretend we're on a beautiful caminata or a beautiful hike next to el río or the river out in nature together.
that was just so relaxing. Thank you for joining us. Now back to Milo's question. Mr. Mouse, would you like to tell us how to say nature in Spanish?
Oh, yeah, sure. To say nature in Spanish, we say naturaleza. So repeat after me, amigos. Naturaleza.
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 Naturaleza. Great work, amigos. We loved spending imagination time in naturaleza with y'all today. And now Mr. Mouse and I are going out into the real naturaleza. Maybe some of y'all will too. I guess that can only mean one thing. Time to sing our goodbye song.
We hope you'll sing along with us. Adios, mi buen amigo.
Goodbye, my good friend.
Hasta luego.
See you later. See you later, my good friend. Adios, amigos. Goodbye, friends.
Hasta luego. See you later.
Thanks for listening to the Eat Your Spanish podcast. You can support our podcast by visiting patreon.com/eatyourspanish or by subscribing to it and leaving a review on Apple Podcasts. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, or on the web at eatyourspanishpodcast.com. Thanks for listening. Adios!